What's up, guys? If you remember, I don't know, a couple of months ago, we did a video or two on the WDT, and it went over really well. The WDT is just, it's been a staple, you know, for Diamond C for many years. As far as it's a beast. There's no doubt about it, especially when you go with the gas rig telescopic package. We talked about it on the last video, gave you a little bit of history on it, as far as, you know, Hurricane Katrina, when it hit, is what really propelled the WDT with the gas rig into existence. So we saw this one coming through, wanted to snag some content on it for you. Not quite as heavy on bells and whistles as the last one we did that had all the hutch suspension and the disc brakes and all the things. This one is a little bit more basic. It's going to be pretty well the way it comes, except we added the gas rig package to it. So wanted to go over it for just a minute and let you see it. This one is a 20-footer, 20-footer with the standard 4-foot sides. And so just starting at the front, it's got the engineered neck along with this is your 13 horsepower gas motor package. Key start, really cool because you're not like a normal electric dump trailer. You're not worried about, you know, running the battery down just by running the dump. Once you hit the key, it starts. That's what provides the power to your 4-stage telescopic cylinder. So always reliable Honda engine. Hit the key, always going to go if it's got gas in it, right? So the neck's got the spare mount swing down in the front. Again, engineered neck, engineered frame standard on the WDT differentiator. Not another tandem dual dump in the market has engineered frame like that. The cool thing is on this, we don't just buy a standard mill beam and cut it up to make it work like everybody else. We're able to curate or like custom design, engineer the beam, the height, the thickness, all the things, everything that it needs to be optimized for this application. So that you got the 3-inch I-beam cross members, looks like on 12-inch center, channel frame center, runners down the center. Got the 8-foot sliding ramps in the back to be able to haul equipment in it. Again, 4-foot sides that are 10 gauge sides. It's got a 3/16 floor in it because these trailers, no doubt, when they're being used for demo and things, they throw concrete, whatever, over the side of them. You know, the floor is what takes the most of the beating. So 7-gauge floor definitely, or 3/16 floor definitely comes in handy there. See the big boy, 8-inch bore, 4-stage telescopic cylinder. The cool thing about that is just like the telescopic on our smaller dumps, you can't hardly make it not dump, especially when it comes to distributing the load inside. Scissor lifts or dual cylinders that are under the bed, you get the weight even just slightly too far forward, it becomes hard to dump. It's a strain on the system. It bears down the pump. It uses more energy. Whereas in this case, you have the best of both worlds. Gas rig, where you don't have to worry about the pump, you know, using up so much energy, and then also the telescopic cylinder mounted in the front is just, there is no better dump leverage than a telescopic cylinder mounted up front. So this one is, let's see, the sticker. This one is, again, 20 foot. It weighs 9670 as it sits. It has the 12,000 pound axles under it. So GVWR is 25,900 pounds. And like I say, 12K Lippert axles. We go with the 14. We did 14 ply tires. No, 10 ply tires. 14 ply tires are an option. I thought I'd selected on this one, but 12K axles. Let's see, any other options? Oh, the one thing that we need to definitely look at, the WDT is standard. Other guys, it's an option. This long arm tarp system, you can see, is electric. So, you know, it just is crazy to me that that other guys even jack with a regular pull tarp, dump tarp that everybody's used for so long on this trailer. It's kind of silly because look how, I mean, even when the bed is down, there's no way you can get up there to pull that tarp to the back, especially if stuff is sticking over it. So just put the hit of that switch, Donovan tarp, you tarp the load. The long arm goes up and over the load, makes it so much easier. And then you pull it right back in. You pull it just with the same switch, it pulls the tarp right back in, and you're good to go. So that you can, when you pull the tarp in, obviously, then you're dumping it. The material's coming out. It's almost there. Hang on with me just a second, it's almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. So now you see we pulled our tarp all the way back, it's ready to go. The WDT still has the same style gate as far as the functions of it. It's got a spreader gate at the bottom, you unhook it, it would be a spreader. Then also, if you leave that alone, undo the barn doors, and you can just have a full open back end of barn door flow. Like you say, it has the ramps for all the equipment. You see inside, comes with 4 of the D-rings, got the dog box up front, is what they call it. I'm not sure really why they call it that, but the dog box inside the bed is for the cylinder up in there. So there you have it, another WDT. Oh, this one is in that construction orange as well. Construction orange is meant to be looking like the kind of Kubota orange color. Looks cool on the job site. Could you imagine your company with the Kubota orange or construction orange WDT with your logo down the side of it, you know, showing your rig there at work. Like, I mean, it just presents a solid picture to, you know, the customers, the people on the job site, and then also it just looks cool. You know, you have this, and say you have an F-Max or a smaller LPT or HDT in the same colors. It looks really cool. You got everything color coordinated, professional, clean, powerful. Let's go. WDT, you can jump on there and build one on the website. All kinds of different options and features where you can build a WDT to fit the work you need to do. We'll see you on the road.